I've certainly covered a lot of my experiences, from which I've learned till I'm Syrian blue in the face, and particularly as that relates to structural, crystal, river, atmospheric, spiritual, structural, engineering, integrity as bio-neural elemental union, the crystal wave, and how that directly relates to the beast, the 6666 or 60 hertz, which is not 90, blank slate memory wipe technology. Remember I talked about that? They can't change my mind. They can't change my wave. They can't change the wave. And that wave is the eternal crystal wave. I never lost my memory. Remember, now I'm back to age 4. The 4 square crystal. 2 becomes 1, 1 becomes all. The silver and gold mated one. The crystal core. The true still point of a true vacuum is the crystal core. So I wrote this down a few minutes ago because of what I experienced a little while ago with Jeanette Nigonobly, another native spirit, Sun Temple. And so it was not a mathematical coincidence when we're experiencing perfect mathematical divine order. The order sequence is the timing sequence of the frequency of the memory of the frequency as the sound recording of synchronicity of spiritual, structural, energy, engineering, integration to experience I am. The eternal one, the eternal core, the crystal core, the memory. I never forgot my memory of the crystal core, the eternal core. And so when I woke up this morning and turned on the phone, and I went to a YouTube channel that I subscribed to, and there was a video, and I began watching it, and I stopped. I stopped the video, and I was going to share it, because I did, in Jeanette Nigonobly's window. And guess what was in that window? She was sharing the same video at the same exact high precision mathematical timing function order, which is mathematical factoring at the same moment. The spin, the circuit, the spin was right on time. That is not a coincidence. That is divine right timing of the crystal core, the inner earth core, the temple, the breathing tempo, the magneto, the heart wave, the crystal heart wave. So I wrote this down just a few minutes ago, a few cycles ago. I on you. The inflow, inner Urthra, Krystal River, Core Aurora, mathematical rainbow turnstile, tempo, magneto, 0 degrees of the crystal heart, soul arcing wave of Eternikion, the elemental bio-neural un-ion union, the elemental command line authority of the crystal wave, the crystal dance. So this is the name of the video that I watched that Jeanette and I were synchronized, which is called alignment. Oversoul alignment. 2-4 crystal squares on fire. Cosmic fire is cosmic love. the Krystal River Dance program. Yeah. Which is Krystal River Dance program, Memory Crystals, Journey to Ya, the Journey to Aru-Niwa, and Aru-Ni-Pet with slides. And the channel is Ileasa Healing. Share YouTube channel, The Aquifers. Remember we talked about the aquifers, aqua, water, waterways, the inflow, fire and water, Ita Ur Chalet, fire and ice, joined as one. The ether, particularly on the island of Kauai, Camera Eye, Mount Waialeale, the echoes of rain, the flow, the form and flow, the crystal form and flow is perfect mathematical frequency sequence firing order, is divine right order, which is divine right timing, which is the will, which is the flow of the crystal wave to experience pure, internal, eternal, absolute love on fire, so that the heart, the exact center point of the heart and soul of the crystal core, is perfect, mathematical, structural, atmospheric balance, which is integrity, which is integration, to experience being one with the first one, the first cell, the first cell phone, the first atmospheric cell phone number. 0 degrees, the exact center point of an eternal mirror. Whoa, the spirit in the mirror, the spirit in the flow, so that the inflow and the return flow, there is not a delay. So there's no decay of the crystal core. And that's perfect spin. And the vertical, the horizontal, and the angular moment. So Jeanette, the moment that Jeanette experienced what she was experiencing, what she put in my window was the same thing I was putting in her window at the same exact timing factor. Whoa, that's mathematical alignment of the crystal core, the crystal wave, the Krystal River wave, the dance, the spirit in the radio. So I just wanted to share that because that's a happy moment. Experiencing being in a state of love and joy. To experience mathematical integrity, which is structural integration of bio-neuro-elemental union. Like Union Station, like a PlayStation. Playmates. Mated. The silver and gold mated one. We're all playmates. We're all playmates playing the crystal core, the crystal wave, the heart wave, the electric heart wave. That heart wave is always on. Kick out another spark. Riding the spark, the magic carpet ride, the ride home, the purple heart, the gold heart, the gold standard, the gold detector, the motion detector, the weight of the mass, experiencing zero mass at 0 degrees. Ya, mueva ya.